We here at Adventure Tours are proud to nominate Mr. Romero West for the January 2016 Driver of the Month Award. Since our implementation of the Eco Driving Idle-Free courses, Mr. West has been an invaluable contributor to lowering our ecological footprint. He was the first to take the course and has made the biggest impact in this campaign. He was also a key contributor in our recent success of achieving the 2016 ABA Green Spirit Award. To top it all off, Mr. West is a role model for quality customer service. He has truly embraced his role as a leader in our campaign to make the world a greener place. Here's a little bit of why this initiative has become so important to him.
I think caring for the earth is not just an individual personal job. It is a responsibility we all have. That is why I believe in doing everything I can to make a difference. This is the task we all share, and I am happy to do my part and make the future a better place for the children.